Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the physical card and its details. This prevents delays. Once you receive it, register on the issuer app or website using the card number and your ID to link it to your account. Then set a secure 4-digit PIN and enable international transactions and SMS alerts so you can monitor activity. Make sure notifications are enabled. They give instant fraud warnings and balance updates, which keeps you in control while you move on to funding and usage. Once the card is active, fund it using bank transfer, debit card, or a linked account. Choose the fastest option to avoid pending holds. Then configure currency preferences. If you travel, set auto-convert rules to control exchange fees and pick a primary currency to reduce surprise costs. Set daily or per transaction spending limits to protect against fraud. Finally, enable contactless and add the card to your mobile wallet for tap payments. This speeds checkout and keeps the physical card safe. To complete a purchase, choose chip, contactless, or mobile wallet and enter your PIN when requested. This authenticates transactions securely. After major transactions, check your balance and recent activity in the app to confirm charges. If a payment is declined, first retry with chip or NFC, then verify funds and daily limits. Sometimes a temporary hold or currency mismatch causes a block. If problems persist, call the issuer's support number. Have your card number and recent transaction details ready for quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.